keep supporting. And thanks for you all for all the support that you gave me, because it wasn't for your support I wouldn't perform the way I could, which it is something great for me, that knowing that Jamaica is a big fan of track and field and always supporting us. I didn't expect that I would run that fast, because I was curious as to what form I was in. But my coach told me that I am in the best form. But when I went back to him, he said, "Why you run that fast?" But I said I didn't know that I was on that form. So I surprised myself, but he wasn't surprised, because he's one of the greatest coaches, so he knows a lot. Well, I think it's possible for us to get a medal in the relay. It's possible for us to get a medal in the relay. I maybe have some races in Europe, I think, but me and my coach will discuss it later and see what happens.
All right, come guys, come. Please, 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 just execute. Just execute. Come, execute. That's all. That's all. Ready. They're getting in their blocks. Oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Come. Ready? Set. Go! Christian Coleman is a solid start. Run, please! He just goes! Run! Run! Get the boat! Oh God, oh God, oh God! Oh God, oh God, oh God. Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So yes, trackies, that was my immediate reaction to, the results of the men's 100-meter finals in Budapest, where Jamaica did not land on the medal table. Now, taking the win was Noah Lyles, running 9.83 seconds, a new world leading time for him. Also in second place was Let's Silly Tobago, running a new personal best and national record, 9.88 seconds. In third place was Darnell Hughes. He ran 9.88 seconds as well from Great Britain. And Oblique Seville was fourth, and he also ran 9.88 seconds. Trackies, it was that close. It came down to the thousands. So the 8-8 read as 873 for Tobago, 874 for Darnell Hughes, and 877 for Oblique Seville. Now our other Jamaican, Ryan Ford, placed 8th, running 10.08 seconds in the final. Now, trackies, how do I feel, about the results? Clearly, going in, of course, I wanted, Jamaica to land on the medal podium and possibly even win the event, but it didn't materialize, you know what I mean? And you know what? Based on, Oblique Seville himself and, his efforts, I, cannot knock him. And all I can do is say, congratulations, Oblique. You placed fourth, at the World Championships, and chin up, next time around, you may be able to, finally get on that medal, podium. Again, based on how the season was going, trackies, I'm not going to lie, he wasn't even on the cards for me personally, for Oblique Seville to medal. Not until he got to the championships, did he show us signs that, hey, this was possible. So again, coming off a miss up, during the season and still coming to the World Championships and being able to place fourth, running 9.88 seconds trackies. This was a very, very good run for, Oblique Seville. And of course, trackies, I know, some of y'all, will be disappointed, but again, he gave it his all. In his own words, he think, he dipped it, a bit too soon, but it is what it is. He'll just work harder, for the next time around. Anyway, trackies, now Lyles takes the win, and of course, he talked the talk and he walked the walk. Clearly, he's been talking himself up into, winning that gold medal. We all remember, the infamous back and forth between him and Fred Curley, and we did see Fred Curley, go out in the semifinals. He didn't even make it, to the finals, and here we have, Noah Lyles taking the win. So at this point, trackies, nobody can really talk to Noah. I know nobody can really talk to Noah at this point. It's his world for the taking. Now, of course, Let's See Tobago for me was a definite surpriser. I have him, as the same type of athlete as, Noah Lyles is. Surprisingly, they both, take a bit to get into their running, but they have excellent top ends. And it's interesting to me that both of them took first and second. Now, what's gonna happen in the men's 200 meters? Interesting. Is the writing on the wall? Are these men gonna come into the 200 meters and dominate it as well? I'm excited to see what happens in men's 200 meters. But for now, both Let's See Tobago and of course Noah Lyles walk away with silver for Let's See and of course gold for Noah Lyles. Now taking bronze, Zarnell Hughes finally getting the monkey off his back. For years, he has shown potential, to possibly get a medal, and something always, goes wrong for him. Always, the false starts, but this time around, finally able to, land on a medal podium. And trackies, it means the world to him. He was screaming. You would have thought that he actually won the race based on his reaction to how he was screaming. Noah at one point was looking at him and was like, did I win or did you win? You know what I mean? When they just crossed the line, Noah was confused because of how, Zarnell, was reacting to his, place, on the medal podium. But still, great run from Zarnell Hughes. As we all know, he went in as the world leader, to possibly, land a gold medal. He walked away with a bronze. Excellent run from him. And of course, Noah Lyles literally had to run the same time he ran previously to defeat him. So excellent performance from the guys, and of course excellent performance from Oblique Seville. I take nothing away from him. Hats off, you represented the country well, and I appreciate your performance. We just have to move on and look for the next one. Next one is coming, trackies. Don't get too negative and don't, hound, Oblique Seville too much. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What did you think, about the performance? Were you also cheering our Jamaicans on, screaming like I was, and hoping, that we would be on the medal podium? Sound off. What do you think, though, about Jamaica going forward in the future? As the days progress, we keep slashing, medal prospects. First, it was the 4x4. Then, we saw, Broadbell go down, unfortunately. And now we're seeing, Oblique Seville, not land on the medal podium. What do you think about our medal prospects, as the championships progresses? Like the video, please, trackies, as well. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.